Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss how to speak English step by step. In this video, we are going to discuss those methods, how we can learn English effectively. What are the ways we can do to practice English and talk like a native speaker? I am going to give you some tips and tricks to practice English daily. Empower English, empower the world. Let's get into the lesson. First we can do is imitation technique. Copy the way of talking. That is the beginner's level. You can watch trailers, movie trailers with subtitles, news clips, music videos. These things will help you to understand native accent. You have to hear how words are used in every scenarios. And talk to yourself. Use the sentence what you heard in the movies. Take some time to talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Talk to yourself while you are having a shower. And talk to yourself louder. Don't worry if you don't have perfect grammar. Grammar is not important. Don't worry if you don't know a lot of vocabulary. Use simple and shortest sentences initially. Practicing simple conversation with yourself will get you ready for the real ones. And the next stage is describe things what you are saying to yourself. You have to describe things yourself. And describing things to others. You can describe things to your friends. Describing things doesn't look like a real conversation, but it helps you think fast and react to what's happening. And listen to and watch English media. Cinema made for native speakers is also a fantastic way to practice your conversation skills. Use conversation apps. That is, here I give you 2 conversation apps, SpeakingPal, Elsa. These 2 apps help you to develop your spoken English. And you can try tongue twisters. I tell you a tongue twister. Feel a funny, feel a funny, feel I feel, if you feel the feel, I feel, you feel the feel. Like this, you have to practice tongue twisters. Sounds repeated many times. Your pronunciation will improve. If you practice tongue twisters, it will improve your pronunciation. Next, read English books, newspapers aloud. This will improve your pronunciation, intonation and accent. Either in a notebook or on your computer, start making a list of useful words and phrases. Every time you hear or see a word you are not familiar with, note it down. Don't only focus on the words itself, but search for synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are meaning of the word. Antonyms are opposites of the word. And the final step is practice, practice, practice. There is no other go. If you want to speak English fluently, you have to practice, practice, practice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.